So what I've got here is a little controller out of one of these little air blowers. And what we're going to look at is the signaling going to the screen, which has got only 5 pins because they tri-state multiplexing it or charlie-plexing it. That over there is the waveform over there. So I've only got 4 data lines that I can read with the scope. So 4 of the 5 pins are being read over here. Okay. So I'm going to push the button and it's going to flash zeros. And what you're seeing on the screen is the 4 pins changing state at various times, which through the charlie-plexing turns on the 2 zeros that you're seeing down here on this little screen, like that. And that's what the waveform of charlie-plexing looks like. It's basically a bunch of spaghetti. And the coding for charlie-plexing is also a bunch of spaghetti. I'm not going to get into that in this video. So if ever you've wondered what the waveform of the signals looking to one of these little displays looks like, there you have it. It is a bowl of spaghetti. It is busy, but it works. It works. So I just thought I'd show you this interesting stuff, bit of humor in it. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Take care. Have an awesome day further. Have a Merry Christmas. Have an awesome time with your friends and family. Thank you very much for being here and watching my videos. And for the rest, take care. Have an awesome evening. Have an awesome day further. And I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.